Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore one of the most practical AI tools that works directly inside your browser and gives you access to all the famous AI models in one place. It's called DeepSider, a browser extension that literally turns your browser into a full AI hub. With DeepSider, you can access models like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Groq, GPT-4.1, and even image-based models without ever leaving your current tab, all neatly integrated into a simple sidebar beside your browser. To get started, open Chrome Web Store or Edge Add-on Store, and in the search bar, type DeepSider AI Sidebar. Click on Add to Chrome or Add to Edge. Your browser will ask for confirmation. Just click Add Extension, and that's it. Within a few seconds, the extension will be installed, and the DeepSider icon will appear on your browser toolbar. Simply click on it to open the AI Sidebar. Now, by entering your email and creating an account, you'll get access to all available models. No complex setup needed. DeepSider is ready to use right away. The first thing you'll notice is a clean and simple interface. At the top of the sidebar, you can switch between various models such as GPT-4.1, Claude Opus, Groq 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, DeepSeek R1, and FLUX. Each model is designed for a specific purpose: GPT-4.0 for text generation and accurate answers, Claude for analyzing and summarizing files, DeepSeek for logical and technical questions, Gemini for combined searches and content generation. Basically, DeepSider gathers all the top AI models in one place, allowing you to switch between them anytime depending on your needs. One of the most useful features of DeepSider is the document dialog section. With this feature, you can upload PDF, Word, PowerPoint, or TXT files and ask the AI to summarize them, translate them, or extract the key points. For example, you can say, "Summarize this article for me," or "Extract the key points from this file." DeepSider analyzes the file in seconds and provides you with an accurate response. This feature is extremely useful for students, researchers, and content creators alike. The next interesting feature is real-time web search. It means you can search the web in real time directly from the sidebar without closing your browser tab. Just type your question. For example, when was the latest version of Claude released? And DeepSider will instantly bring you up-to-date, accurate results from the web. This feature helps you save time and avoid switching between multiple tabs, letting you search and analyze content in one place. With DeepSider, you can even interact with images. Just upload an image and ask the AI to describe it or extract specific information from it. For example, explain this chart or find the mistakes in this image. The AI analyzes the image and returns a detailed text response, quickly and precisely. One of DeepSider's biggest advantages is that it's available on every website you visit. You don't need to switch between tabs. The sidebar is always right there beside you, and you can use it anytime, whether you're reading, writing an article, or even coding. Interaction with files like PDFs and Word documents. Plus, it offers real-time web search, ensuring you always have access to the most recent information. Another cool feature is image dialog, letting you interact with pictures or charts and get instant explanations from AI. All of this comes with high speed and a clean, easy-to-use interface without ever leaving your current page. If you're into technology and the world of AI, you should definitely try it out. The download link is right below this video. It's available for both Chrome and Edge. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to AI Border because this is just the beginning. Every week, we'll dive into the newest and craziest AI tools in the world. And trust me, you're going to see things that will blow your mind. Until the next video, stay creative and shine with AI.